Alright guys, I'm doing an Instant Pot recipe. Check this out. I got some vegetable broth right here. Onions, carrots, corn, chickpeas. I'm gonna put in this pure greens in there, give it a little bit of bulk and flavor, and some ground turkey. But this time I'm actually gonna marinate it a little bit longer and soak it in the broth before I cook it. So maybe that'll increase the flavor. So I'm gonna get it all prepped up, and then I'm gonna keep it in the fridge for about maybe 2 or 3 hours. So, and then I'm gonna have seasoning on it. So hopefully it'll absorb that flavor a bit more. Alright guys, I'll be right back and I'll get it all set up. Alright guys, so check it out. It's all ready to go. It's marinating right now. The turkey's on the bottom, and I put all that stuff on top. I'm gonna add a little bit of water. I'm gonna add a little bit of seasoning, salt, and some more herbs, a little bit of lemon zest. I got these little things right here that are Clubhouse herbs, so I'll put that in there. Alright guys, stay tuned and we'll be back. Alright guys, check this out. The stew is all done. We're going to do a quick taste test. I am the only one eating this, but we're going to do a quick taste test right now. So, it's getting foggy. Come on, zoom. Focus. There we go. Alright. It's actually really good. I marinated for at least, well, not marinated, I let it soak for at least 4 hours, 5 hours, and then I cooked it. So it does have really good flavor throughout the soup and the vegetables, and it's all in there. So definitely check it out. If you have any questions, comments, guys, please subscribe to the channel.